It's a food for a sustainable future, a path to food security. Yes, I'm talking about the future food, that is the blue food. It is vital for environmental sustainability and healthy human diet. Blue food is defined as all edible aquatic organisms including fish, shellfish and algae from marine and freshwater production system. Yes, it is an incredible source of nutrition for millions of people. Blue food has a huge role to play in feeding the planet sustainably and healthy. It will be no doubt a more important part of all our diets tomorrow. It is the key source of proteins and micronutrients for the future. Yet, blue food is underutilized and under-researched as part of holistic food-based nutrition. Increasing food production on land is difficult due to declining yield rates and general land and freshwater scarcity. So, increased blue food production would be the right solution. Do you know it is more healthier than livestock? Though it contains several micronutrients that are difficult to obtain from land-based food. Here I am going to discuss about some of the blue foods and their health benefits. Fish. It is a food rich in proteins, vitamin B, B12, D, minerals like iron, zinc, phosphorus, selenium, iodine. It is one of the most beneficial protein sources of our diet. It contains omega-3 fatty acid, which lowers the risk of fatal and total coronary heart diseases, helps to protect our heart, improves eye health, lowers LDL. It also reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Fish is also a dietary essential of our brain. The recent study says that who eats fish regularly has more grey matter in the brain, which reduces shrinkage and deterioration of brain functions. Fish oil can improve symptoms of depression and has many health benefits. Prawns. These are the aquatic crustaceans. They are rich in vitamin B12, protein, zinc, selenium. The health benefits of prawns are reduces fatigue, avoids blood clots, helps in reducing gum swelling, provides healthy skin and hair, fights cancer, helps in alleviation of menstrual cramps for women, helps in maturation of blood cells and keeping the nerves healthy. Crabs. These are the decapod crustaceans. It is one of the best possible dietary sources of proteins available. It contains vitamin B12, B2, selenium, iodine, copper, omega-3 fatty acids. It contributes to our energy creation, mental health, thyroid function, reduces tiredness, fatigue, boosts up our immune system, increases cognition, detoxifies our body. Oysters. They are prized for their aphrodisiac properties. They are the variety of bivalve mollusk. These are rich in zinc, selenium, protein, vitamin C, D, B12, iron, calcium, manganese. They also help in wound healing, improves immunity, weight loss, lowering BP or hypertension, and have cardioprotective functions. Mussels belong to phylum Mollusca, which are the best seafood. The nutritional profile comprises of vitamin A, B, B12, phosphorus, zinc, manganese, selenium, proteins and omega-3 fatty acids. These heart-healthy unsaturated fatty acids lower the risk of cardiac failure, beneficial for treatment of osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, relieving pain in joints, strengthen teeth and bones, accelerate the formation of antibodies, improves nerve cell functioning, improves fertility, prevents anemia, asthma, maintaining cellular functioning and have anti-aging properties. So, blue foods must occupy a central place in our future food. It is one of the main services provided by the aquatic system to human societies, which has large-scale benefits for human health, nutrition, economic returns, and employment.